Hey everyone! What we got here is the 1000 Mark II soundbar from JBL. It's a 7.1.4 channel system, and inside you get true Dolby Atmos, DTS 3D sound, plus MultiBeam 3.0 panoramic surround sound. So in short, this soundbar gives you everything you're asking for and then some. Now, what sets us apart from the crowd is the detachable wireless rear speakers. They don't need any wires to work or charge. All you gotta do is just snap them off from the main soundbar and you're golden. So you could be watching a show in the family room with everybody, detach the side speakers, and then bring the sound with you to the kitchen when you're making dinner. Plus, they last up to 10 hours on a single charge, and the unit itself still functions as a standalone soundbar. Now, what brings this soundbar to the next level is a combination of a few things. Off the rip, the soundbar has a room calibration option for a custom audio profile for your entire area. But besides that, it's the 2.0 PureVoice technology for clearer dialogue in your shows and movies. Second has gotta be the Smart Details feature, which focuses on the subtleties of the film's sound design, creating that sound experience the filmmaker intended you to hear. And finally, it's got this night listening mode that lets you listen to your shows and movies without disturbing the peace while everyone's sleeping. All you gotta do is take one of the detachable speakers, go through the JBL One app, turn on the night listening mode, and then you should be good to go. The soundbar and subwoofer will automatically be muted while the little side speakers play the sound of whatever you're watching. For connections, you get 3 HDMI ports that all support pass-through for 4K 120Hz Dolby Vision and HDR10+. So not only is this compatible with virtually every TV brand, but you also gain 2 extra HDMI ports to connect things to your TV. You get an eARC port for uncompressed Dolby Atmos, an optical cable input, a USB port, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, and voice assistants like Google and Siri. Now, they kept it simple by letting all the music and podcast software stream easily to the device. It works well with all major players like AirPlay, Chromecast, Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, and it's even Roon ready. But a pro tip though, if you're not watching TV with the soundbar, you can also just use the Mark II as a regular speaker to play music from. So you can have 3 speakers throughout the house playing music at the same time. The JBL One app not only helps you with setting things up initially, but it also gives you a ton of customization options like custom EQ profile for your preferred sound settings, new software updates for the unit, and music browsing as well. But before we get to what's in the box, let's talk about the subwoofer. The Mark II comes stock with a 10-inch subwoofer that connects easily with Bluetooth, and it's rated at 150 watts of RMS power. So if you're somebody who loves your floor shaking during action scenes, this will do the job. Out of the box, you get the main soundbar, 2 detachable wireless surround sound speakers, a 10-inch wireless subwoofer, a remote, an HDMI cord, a power cord, wall mount brackets and screws, side caps to cover the soundbar and detachable speakers, and it also comes with a 1-year warranty on labor and parts. For dimensions, the soundbar's width is 47 inches, the height is 2 inches, and the depth is 5. But with the detachable speakers removed, the soundbar has a 33-inch width and everything else stays the same. The removable speakers run a 7-inch width, 2-inch height, and 5-inch depth. The subwoofer comes in at around 13-inch width and depth, but the height reaches around 16 inches. All these items together, the total weight of the package comes in at around 50 pounds. But who is this for? It's for the dynamic viewer. Someone who likes to move around and do things while they watch, but also have the option to sit down and enjoy their shows with that cinematic sound everybody's looking for. If you're in the market for a new soundbar, definitely take a look at this model and see if it's right for you. But if you're not sure, come down to App and talk to one of our salespeople. They'll definitely point you in the right direction. But if you just want to take a look, hit the link below to our website and check it out for yourself. I'm Dane with App. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.